Assalamualaikum and hello YouTubers. Pro 2 is here. In this video, I will share with you guys on how to fix a puncture in a tubeless tire using a plug repair kit. If you have a nail in your tire, you'll need to take your vehicle to a tire service technician to get it fixed. Riding or driving on a tire that hasn't been properly repaired can damage your tire and even cause an accident. Basic tools for the tire repair kit usually came with a spiral reamer, an insertion tool and some repair plugs. You may need some other tools like screwdrivers and pliers. These tools will help to pull the nail out. Some soapy water for finding leaks. And a regular pump. In order to find the leak, you should inflate your tire with air until it reaches the appropriate pressure. The leak's most likely a nail in the tread area. If the nail is in the side of your tire, or the nail is on the edge of the tire outside of the tread, you won't be able to use a temporary plug. Spin the tire and keep an eye out for any nails. Sometimes it can be difficult to find the leaks. As an easier alternative, you can use a spray bottle with soapy water and just spray the tire down. Watch for any bubbles when you rotate the tire. Finding the leak is sometimes as easy as pinpointing a nail or screw. Other times, it can be a little trickier. The area that produces bubbles is where the air comes out. If you have found the leak, and there is a nail punctured through it, remove the nail or screw using pliers or a screwdriver. Set the spiral reamer nearby so you can plug the hole quickly before a lot of air gets out. This is usually easy, but sometimes the nail or screw is worn down, making it hard to get a bite on it. This is where side cutters come in really handy. Grab from the threading of the nail and lift out the nail. Then, using the spiral reamer, push it through the puncture, moving it in and out. It will expand the hole to fit the tire repair plug. This also roughens the area so the fix will hold. Now, you may prepare to plug your tire. Run the tire plug through the hole at the end of the insertion tool. Get your plug laid out and push it through it. Center the plug in the hole so there's an equal amount of rubber on each side of the insertion tool hole. Pull the spiral reamer out and push the plug into the hole using the insertion tools. As you push the plug into the hole, the rubber ends will fold up and press together. Stop pushing once the rubber ends are about 1 centimeter away from going into the hole in your tire. Twist the tool 90 degrees and pull it out. The plug will stay in the tire and the tool will come out nice and easy. You may trim away the excess plug, or leave it to wear away as you drive. As you drive down the road, this will eventually wear down to level with the tire. Let the tire sit for 10 minutes. After that, we can do a final leak test. With the hole in the tire now plugged, you will need to inflate the tire to do a leak test. You may check the recommended pressure, PSI, printed on the side of your tire. You need to fill the tire to the correct pressure. For this tire, I will fill it with 35 psi. Put back the valve caps. After that, I will take my bike for a ride. It's important to then ride the bike for at least 10 minutes to heat the plug so it bonds with the tire. Spray some soapy water all over the repair plug and look for bubbles. Continue to spray the soapy water on the surface. Check for the last time to see if any bubbles in the area. If all goes as planned, no bubbles should appear. However, if you see bubbles, you'll likely need to invest in a new tire. If not, congratulations! You have successfully repaired the leak in your tire. Use this information at your own risk. Any injury, damage, or loss that may result from improper use of any tools and equipment, or from the information contained in this video, the user must take responsibility. If you think this video helpful for you, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy cautiously and good luck. Pro to DIY.